few weeks ago, I bought a roll of packing tape after seeing someone make a collage on a short piece of sticky tape. It looked like an interesting idea, and I thought I'd give it a try. But after I had cut off about 2 feet of the tape and added collage papers to it, another thought occurred to me. Why cut off sections of the tape? Why not make one continuous collage using the entire roll? I didn't really plan this ridiculous project. I just liked the idea of creating something much larger than I normally would. I also had a studio full of colorful papers, painted scraps, and pieces of artwork that I've collected over the years. What else would I do with them but make collages? This seemed like a way to bring them all together into something new. And so the goal became about 150 feet, minus the 2 feet I had already cut off, which sounded perfectly reasonable. And part of the attraction was the challenge. If or when I actually finished it, what would I do with it? How would I display something that long? I still don't know the answers to those questions. So far, the size of the project hasn't surprised me. At this point, I know it's going to take a while to finish it. But what did surprise me is the way it fits into my everyday life. Because I don't sit down and work on it for hours at a time. I don't even work on it every day. Most of the time, I add a foot or 2 or 3 when I happen to have a few minutes to spare. There's no deadline, no pressure to finish. The roll is simply there, waiting for me whenever I feel like creating. I add a few papers without thinking about it too much, let it dry, trim it, then roll it back up and leave it for another day. And now, after about 2 months, those small moments have accumulated. The first 3 feet became 6, and 6 became 8, and now the collage has reached 25 feet. And although 25 feet doesn't sound especially long, once I stretched it out and saw it all at once, I realized just how much ground those little 15-minute sessions had covered. That's where the project stands today on June 19th, 2 months after starting it. 25 feet completed. 125 feet, 122 feet still to go. But the 25 feet started out with a single 3-foot section. I don't know exactly what it will look like when it's finished. I don't know when it will be finished. I don't know how it will be displayed. I'm pretty sure I'll make it all the way to 150 feet total. So for now, I'll just keep going.